everyone, today I have a new photo shoot behind the scenes video and I'm shooting with Chloe from Brazen Models. Lydia is doing hair and makeup and Dan is filming the behind the scenes. And today I'm shooting on the Canon 5D Mark IV with the Canon 50mm 1.2 lens. So as you can see, we're at what looks like a pretty mundane location to start the photo shoot off with. And I wanted to show you guys that you don't always need the most amazing place to take photos. This is literally just a normal park. It's on right next to a car park and next to a busy street, and it is quite dried up and it looks really plain. So the way I'm making this location work is by using a prime lens to shoot my photos today, and I'm using a wide aperture of f2. You can also use f1.2 or f2.8, but I personally like f2 sometimes. For some shots, I'm also getting Chloe to stand maybe 1 meter or 2 meters away from the background, so she's a little bit further away, and that gives even more depth of field to the shot on top of using a wide aperture prime lens. So we're going to get into doing some shooting, and I'm going to try and keep the lighting to be quite backlit during the photo shoot so the lighting looks really soft and beautiful. But yeah, let's get into it. Can I get you to take a little step this way then? Oh yeah, that's way better with the wind. That's cool, I like your movement, it's nice. I like a couple of photos with the hair, but like the whole. Yeah. Oh, it's like, who is that laughing? That's really nice. The wind is perfect right now. Do you want to try some over the shoulder, maybe? Get a couple more in landscape. This looks really nice here. So pretty. I love it.
Oh, the background looks like so different.
It does, right? Yeah, that's cool. I'll get like a bit of your legs in it as well. Do you want to try some where maybe you could kind of like swing your arms around a little bit? Perfect. No, you're good.
This is correct.
That's cool. Do you have like back pockets in the skirt?
Yeah.
That might be cool. Just getting closer. Just like a different kind of like shape.
Yeah. Oh, they're so nice. I love that.
I'm glad you like it. Could we do a couple of sitting down, like your legs facing away from me?
Yeah.
Oh, the lighting's like perfect right now.
I was gonna say,
I love it.
Even for me in my
in your iPhone.
Yeah, amazing.
They are really good. I agree.
It.
With this arm, can you put your elbow like on your knee so you kind of, yeah, that's cool. And you can even, maybe even if you bring your hands, yeah, that's nice. I'm gonna get some like really close-up shots. I love that. Did you want to try and maybe lean on the tree? Whoa, that scared me.
You alright?
Yeah, I just knocked my foot into it. These look really cool, I like them.
Lighting on point.
Yeah, it's like perfect.
Yeah, really
I
nice.
love these ones too. Oh, the lighting's really good here. We'll take a couple more. I get you facing completely towards me as well. Did you want to try one where you kind of play with your hair with both your hands? Might be nice. Perfect. Let's try one. If you go on the other side of that branch over there, you could like lean your elbows on it. It might be cool. Ow.
Yeah, I'll show you.
I didn't see my hands, but I was gonna say, I was like, it would have just been too much.
So maybe,
Yeah.
yeah. I'm gonna knock
Go
my head
ahead.
again.
Yeah. Oh, I see the second branch now.
Yeah, I didn't see it when I was coming through. Ooh, I love this. Awesome. Do you want to try one where you kind of just like really rest your head on your hand? Yeah. Also try one if you rest your head on your arms. Yeah, that's perfect. That looks really good. Can I get you to stand here in the sun? I want to see if I can get some behind you. We'll get like close-ups here with the sun. I think we'll do one more sitting on that lower branch and then we can go to the beach. So just sit like maybe on this one. And then, I don't know if you could put your feet maybe over here, like on that other branch, and then lean both your elbows on your knees. We'll go there where all the flowers are. Pretty.
Is that bit alright?
Yeah, it looks good. That looks really good like that. With your legs, I don't know how to describe things with words, so I just do them
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's perfect. I'm getting a bit closer. You can even shield your eyes with your hand. That might look cool for a photo as well. Do you want to try one laying down? Oh, that's so pretty. Let me just check the lighting's good. Oh my god, I love this. So pretty. Worth it for the pain in your eyes. Alright, close your eyes for a sec. Just gonna get like a landscape version. Need to go this way. One second. Alright, when you're ready. Let me just get in like real close.
That was
so
actually
good.
really nice.
I love that so much. That's such a good one.
Yeah, I love them.
Yeah, that's so nice. And probably just have your knees like kind of together, I think. Do you mind if I get a couple with my phone as well?
Yeah, of course.
Let me just turn the shutter on so you can hear when I'm taking it. There we go. So we just wrapped up the photo shoot. I had so much fun and loved all the photos that we got. Please let me know in the comments which one your favorite shots were from the day. I really liked those close-up harsh lit shots. I think those were some of my favorites from today. But as always, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I upload new videos every Wednesday and every Saturday, so I'll see you all next time. Bye.